Hi, good afternoon, solar YouTubers. Today is Friday, the May 8th of 2026. There's really nothing going on. There's some storms starting down here in Oklahoma. This is probably northwest of Tulsa, right here. Pretty quiet. Down here in Louisiana. We got a lot of thunderstorms happening. There's a nice one happening here. And then up here in Indiana and Pittsburgh, it's just rain, looks like. So, not a whole lot going on. So, I switched my VVOR over to solar, battery, and utility. So, I'm going to start charging it off the generator for a few days. Just get used to my settings. Because on the VVOR itself, I can go in and I can change the how amperage. So when it's, I can go up to 60 amps of charging. So from the grid, it's fine, but I can't use the full 60 on my generator. I tried it once before last week or week before, something like that, a couple weeks ago, and it uh, generator kept cutting off. It was still running, but just the inverter cut off. So I got to play with that amperage to find out what exact amperage I can run it. So it is a 2000 watt at 120. So you do that quick math there. Let's do that math real quick. Where is my? So on my calculator real quick. So it's right over here. So if we take 120, hold on, we do this. 2000 divided by 120. That's about 16 amps, it says. So, doing that math says that the generator can put out about 120 volts at 16 amps, and that's a 2000 watts. So we play with that over the next couple of days and see what's going on. And I didn't do no charging today. I didn't make no breakfast this morning because I had to get up early to go to work. So on that note, and I did use my fan last night, so I used 9 amp hours on that battery, and I used 10 amp hours on that battery. So, so 10 amp hours, and so I can run that fan for at least a few days. Started out nice and sunny this morning, but then it just got like this halfway through, and I had to be up at 6 to go to work. And when I have to get up at 6, I don't eat breakfast or set my solar out. So that started the show. You get kissies? Are you in the mood? She's in the mood. There we go. That's the start of the show. Well, this is a quick video, no whole lot going on. And for those of you who watched my video yesterday up at Marion Bluff, my quads are killing me. Getting up and down, in and out of the Jeep today. They are screaming. They are, I'm in some pain. So, for those who don't know, I did a good video on the Marion Bluff. It's supposed to be the highest point in Indiana. So I found a set of stairs at the park. This bluff overlooks the Wabash River into Illinois, and it's supposed to see up to a couple counties away. You get to see the Robinson Oil Refinery. Whatever. So, found a set of stairs, and so I ventured down the stairs with you guys with me, and it was a sketchy thing. And yeah, you're walking. If you watch the video, it's like 100 feet down, 200 feet down. It's a good trip down these stairs. So and then I walked back up, and when I got to the last set of stairs, it was very difficult to get up those stairs. My legs were jelly. So, but that's about it. No whole lot more. So I will talk to you guys later. You have a good night.